having fun. I'm having fun. Everywhere I go, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Everywhere I go, I'm having fun.
This video is brought to you in part by NC17 AT-NCE 101.
My music.
Hi, I'm G7 the Beatmaker, and welcome to my show. This is NC17 AT-NCE 101's channel, and I appreciate you being here and watching this video. This is what I usually do online. The first thing I do, since I have FL Studio and I'm ready to make some music, I go online and I search for free sound effects and free VSTIs, etc., etc., etc. And my favorite website to search for first isn't kvraudio.com, it's rekkerd.org. REKKERD.org. And when I'm there at that particular website, I search for freeware. And sometimes it comes up as a new company having free samples of their audio for the VSTIs. And sometimes it's usually VST effects. My experience is a long list of contest sound samples to enter a contest and use those particular sounds. Some of my experience is advertisement most likely. So most of the time when I'm on this particular website and I'm looking for a particular VSTI or a new update, I usually come across a lot of shareware or donationware. And it's pretty cool if you are interested in VSTIs or freeware in its entirety as far as music production or sound design. What else did I write? Alright, a lot of times when I go to a website, I have to sign in with a username and password, and they either send me a newsletter with plenty of beats on it, or sound samples, loops, Rex files, wave files, OGG files, AIFF files, OGG sound sets, and all sorts. When you come across DXIs, you have to install them. When you come across any number of VSTs that you have to install, just install them, and they show you, or they give you a runaround as far as uploading different types of shareware, and it's always good to read first. What else did I want to talk about? What I usually do online, because I do a number of things online. This is just one of them, and I just wanted to talk about me using FL Studio because I'm a music maker. I make music, and I'm G7 the Beatmaker. If you enjoyed this video and what I do online, you can subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you ever search for VSTIs. Good luck on your videos and your video channel. I just went outside. It's like 2:15 in the morning, and